Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lady Prisma. I want to answer the mid-semester by a video. Okay, what is drama text? Drama text is a story text that is performed on stage or commonly called theater or is not staged on stage, such as radio, television, and film dramas. Drama acts as an avenue to narrate event, to entertain, to create, to emotionally move, and to explore the human condition. A play will also socialize, persuade, and inform by teaching. Plays are part of an oral storytelling tradition. Any event, real or imagined, can become the topic for the playwright's purpose. The next is element of drama. Element of drama, the first is character. Character is a person in novel, play, or movie played by an actor. The second is convention. Convention is the specific action and technique which the actor, writer, or director has employed to create a desired dramatic effect and style. The third is audience. Audience, the assembly, spectator, or listener at a public event such as a play, movie, concert, or meeting. The fourth is dialogue. A dialogue is a conversation between two or more people as a feature of a book, play, or a movie. The fifth is the subject or main idea of a play, novel, or movie. The sixth is genre. Genre is a category of artistic composition, as in music or literature, characterized by similarities in form, style, or subject matter. The end is plot. The event that make up a story or the main part of a story. The next is, what is short story? Short stories are short stories that take the meaning of literary words that tell part of the life of the main character. Short stories are also a type of prose where the content of the story are not real even and are just made up. The number of words in the short story is not more than 10,000 words. The next is the five elements of story. The first is character. The character are the individual that the story is about. And the second is setting. The setting is the location of the action. And the next, plot. The plot is the actual story around which the entire book is based. The next is conflict. Every story has a conflict to solve. The next is resolution. The solution to the problem is the way the action is resolved. The next is, what is poetry? Poetry is a literary work resulting from the expression and feeling of a person with language that is bound to rhythm, dimension, lyric, arrangement, and stanzas. The content of the poetry are full of meaning and the language used is quite beautiful. And 10 poetry devices. The first is repetition, second rhyme, the third alliteration, the fourth metaphor, the fifth assonance, the sixth similes, the seventh onomatopoeia, the eighth hyperbole, the ninth is personification, and 10 is edited bit. Next is, what is fiction and non-fiction? Fiction refers to literature created from the imagination. Mysteries, science fiction, romance, fantasy, chick crime, thrillers are all fiction genres. And nonfiction refers to literature based in fact. The nonfiction department has books and videos in many categories, including biography, business, cooking, health and fitness, home, decorating, travel, religion, art and music, and history. 10 common of fiction. The first is a dual character. The second, lack of character motivation. The third, flat dialogue. And next, a half-baked plot. And next, a loose structure. Next, authorial intrusion. Next, a story or novel opening that lacks flair. The next, a dull ending. The next, a clunky process style. The next is lack of editing. And 5 common non-fiction problem. The first is pretentiousness. The second, knowledge or organizational. The third is no result, lack of education. The fourth, nothing new. The five, no message. And next, characteristic of serious. The first is straight-faced. Straight-faced individuals with the serious personality style maintain a sober demeanor. They are solemn and non-given to emotional expression. The second, no pretension. They are realistically aware of their own capabilities, but they are also aware of their own limitation. They are not tempted by vanity or self-importance. The third is accountability. Serious people hold themselves responsible for their action. They will not self-pedal their own faults and do not let themselves off the book. The third is the fourth is cogitation. They are thinker, analyzer, evaluator, ruminator. They'll always play things over in their mind before they act. The five is nobody's fool. Men and women with serious personality style are sharp appraisers of others in their ability to critique other people. They are as unhesitating as in their own self-evaluation. The sixth is no surprises. They anticipate problems, and when the worst happen, they are prepared to deal with it. The seventh is contrition. Serious people suffer greatly when they realize they have been thoughtless or impolite to others. The next is the characteristic of popular fiction. Popular fiction is the combination of two main elements, conventions and inventions. Both conventions and inventions play significant roles in a cultural context, while convention preparation to shared values of a society, invention introduce new concepts to the society, convention maintain the tradition, custom and stability of a defined culture, invention brings changes, new values. How to interpret serious and pop fiction? To interpret serious is serious, grave, solemn, somber, stage, sober, earnest. May be applied to person. Their looks or their act with the meaning not like or frivolous, but actually or seemingly weighed down by deep thought. Heavy cares or purposive or important work. Serious implies absorption in work rather than in play or concern for what matters rather than for what merely amuses. Grave implies both seriousness and dignity, but it usually implies also an expression or attitude that reflects the pressure or weighty interest or responsibilities. Grave is more likely than serious to be used when a mere appearance is to be applied, and it may be used of things with qualities suggestive of human gravity. And pop culture fiction is a genre of fiction where stories are written intentionally to be filed with reference from other works and media. Stories in this genre focus solely on using popular culture references. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you.